Hey everyone, welcome back to Orelix. If your hair keeps falling no matter what products you use, don't worry, I've been there too. In today's video, I'll share real tips that actually helped me stop hair fall naturally. No expensive products, just smart changes and consistency. So let's get started. Part 1, find the real cause. Before we fix hair fall, we need to understand why it's happening. The most common causes are stress and lack of sleep, using shampoos with harsh chemicals like sulfates, oiling too much or not at all, heat styling without protection, and poor nutrition. So instead of just applying random oils, let's fix these from the inside and outside. Part 2, scalp care routine. Your scalp is like soil. If it's not healthy, your hair won't grow strong. Here's what I do. 1. Massage your scalp for 5 minutes every night using your fingertips. This improves blood circulation. 2. Oil your hair only once or twice a week using lightweight oils like coconut, rosemary, or castor oil. 3. Shampoo with a mild, sulfate-free shampoo. Harsh ones strip your natural oils and make hair weak. 4. Rinse with cool water. Hot water damages hair roots. If you follow this routine consistently, you'll notice less hair fall within 2 weeks. Part 3, hair nourishment. Next, feed your hair what it needs. Use a DIY hair mask once a week. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 tablespoon castor oil. Mix them and apply from scalp to ends for 30 minutes before washing. This mask hydrates your hair, strengthens roots, and reduces breakage naturally. You can also try rosemary oil or onion juice treatments twice a week. Both are proven to boost hair growth. Part 4, inner health. Healthy hair starts from what you eat. Add protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, lentils, and Greek yogurt to your meals. Also, eat more spinach, nuts, and seeds for iron and omega-3 fatty acids. If your diet is limited, take a biotin or vitamin E supplement after checking with your doctor. And don't forget to drink enough water. Dehydration weakens hair follicles too. Part 5, lifestyle habits. Lastly, avoid tying your hair too tightly, minimize heat styling, and change pillowcases weekly to prevent scalp bacteria buildup. Sleep at least 7 hours. Your hair actually repairs itself during rest. Remember, consistency is everything. Do these for a month and you'll see a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's struggling with hair fall. Comment below your biggest hair concern. I might make the next video about it. And don't forget to subscribe to Orelix for more weekly hair care and beauty tips. See you in the next one.